Welcome to Geometry. Hi, I'm Ms. Chohan, and the purpose of this video is to go over supply list, grading policies, and class expectations. So I want to start off with my email. So my email is kchohan@chclc.org. Anytime you have any concerns or any questions, please feel free to email me with that. So the required material for the class is you need a 3-ring binder, 3 dividers, pencils, eraser, lined paper, headphones, and a calculator. So for this class, you only need a scientific calculator. However, for your future classes, you will need the graphing aspect, so you can make the call whether you want to get the graphing calculator for all throughout high school, or you want to get a scientific for this classroom, and then for future classes you want to get the graphing one. The topics we're going to cover this year are tools of geometry, logic and reasoning, parallel and perpendicular lines, triangle congruence, transformation, quadrilateral, circles, area and surface area, and volume of figures. Next, I want to go over the grading policy. So the grading policy for this class is 5% homework. Entrance and exit tickets, which are like checkpoints, are going to be 30%. Group work, partner work, and Khan Academy are going to be 15%. And quizzes and unit assessments are 50% of your grade. So I'm going to go over each aspect and what it entails. So for homework policy, homework will be assigned almost daily, designed for students to practice and reinforced concepts covered in class, or also I do use a lot of Edpuzzle, which is basically learning the lesson as a video format and then coming into class and practicing it. So you might have to watch videos for homework and answer a couple questions based on those videos. So requirements for homework: you should always show your work in pencil. Show all your work, and if you need to attach loose leaf paper, please do so. Blank solutions are unacceptable. Even if you do not understand, please attempt something for each problem. Homework should be brought to class before the late bell rings, or for the online assignments, there's a deadline. So make sure you're done before the deadline to get full credit. Check your answers on Padlet. So these are for homework that are practice problems. I will be giving you answers already online. You need to check them before coming to class, and we'll go over whichever questions you have. Homework is randomly graded for completion and showing work. They're worth 4 points each, and you have to finish all the homework to receive 4 points. Incomplete assignments can receive a maximum of 2 points only. So no points are given for late homework. If you are stuck on homework problem, set up time for extra help. Reread your class notes. Watch the videos posted on Padlet or my YouTube channel. I will be making another video about all the resources you have. And ask a parent, sibling, or friend for help. Right. The next thing we are going to go over are entrance and exit tickets. So entrance and exit tickets are checkpoints throughout the unit. They're usually on a single topic, and most of the time we do it after you have already had a practice session. Entrance and exit tickets are unannounced. Students are allowed to reassess these tickets within 2 days of receiving them back. If you do not take these tickets on the original day for any reason, you will have to take the makeup one. Group and partner work. So research basically shows working together is one of the best ways to learn. So throughout the year, you will be assigned a lot of different tasks to work either with a partner or in a group to help practice the material. Some of these activities will be collected and graded at random. Khan Academy. So Khan Academy, you're expected to complete assigned Khan Academy for practice. The goal of these assignments is to deepen your understanding of the learning material. you have to have them completed by their due dates. And if you are struggling with these assignments, you're more than welcome to come during the extra help sessions to complete it. Khan Academy assignments will be graded for accuracy. So make sure you're trying your best on those. The last one for the grades is, the last section is quizzes and unit assessments. So quizzes are going to be given within a unit. Quizzes will involve 3 or more topics. Unit assessments will be given at the end of each unit. So those are the district benchmarks. You will receive a study guide for both quizzes and unit assessments. Quizzes and unit assessments will be announced at least 3 days in advance. Usually it's at least a week in advance. All right, so those are the grading policies. Now I want to go over things for regular class functioning. So the first thing I want to go over is the reassessment policy. So students may only retake entrance or exit ticket. So that's only one per retake. So if you do not do the first time, you can take it one more time again. Before the student reassesses, they're required to see me for extra help. The higher grade of the 2 tickets will be recorded in Genesis. So you can reassess to 100. Cheating will result in the loss of opportunity, reassessment opportunity. Academic honesty, cheating on any assignments will immediately result in a 0 and a loss of any future reassessment. In addition, I will be taking disciplinary action. So the extras, extra credit, I rarely offer it, and I never offer extra credit to individual students. If extra credit is offered, it will be open to the entire class. Extra help, so extra help is available for any students who request it. Students coming in for extra help should always have questions ready with work they have tried and their class notes. So I want to go over when I'm available for extra help. So before school, from 7 to 7:25, on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays by appointments, and after school from 2:30 to 3:15, and that's Mondays and Wednesdays. Again, these are all by appointments. I haven't gotten my schedule yet, so LB, one of the LBs, I will be available for at least four times a cycle. And once I get my schedule, I will let you know if I have any help center hours or anything like that. Absences. If you are absent, you must make up any work you missed within 2 days of each absence. You're expected to find out what you missed from peers, Google Classroom, or talking to me before or after school. Not in the middle of the classroom. You have to come before or after school or before the bell rings, before class starts. In case of extended absence, so 3 days or more, please see me and make special arrangements. Lateness. Students are expected to be inside the classroom once the bell rings. Starting the third late without a pass, students will receive disciplinary actions. Electronic device policy. Students are not allowed to use any electronic device in room for any reason, including checking time, unless allowed by teacher for academic purpose. Electronic devices and headphones should not be visible once you enter the classroom. I do have a cell phone holder, and one of the routines for the class, the policies is once you come into the classroom, please put your cell phones in the cell phone holder. No cell phones are allowed to use on the desk, and also cell phones cannot be used as calculators. For students who violate this policy, disciplinary actions will be taken. So I do have 5 classroom rules, and I'll go over those. So my 5 classroom rules are: follow directions the first time they're given and thereafter. Respect yourself, your peers, your teachers, and our school at all times. Raise your hand and wait for your permission to speak. Keep your hands, feet, and objects to yourself, and no electronic device used unless instructed by teacher for academic purpose. So again, I do use the white card system if there is violation of schools, and there will also be parent notification. So that is all I have for the classroom expectations. There is a link on below. If you could please fill that out after you've watched this and have your child sign off on it as well. That would be really helpful. It's going to be an exciting year ahead of us, and I'm really excited to get to know your child this year. Thank you.